Okay, today my filming format is a bit different because I is very late. Because I overslept. And why did I oversleep? Because I kena insomnia. So today is the final installation day for this cute house. And I'm super late. But I told them already lah. So now I'm going up. And this is for you kiddo. My light vendor's kid who kept asking her, how come my videos are all taken in the car? So now, kid, you see, I have videos that are not taken in the car. Despite no choice. Okay, let's go up. I feel like I haven't woken up. Still in my dreamland. Help, help! This insomnia is killing me. Okay, but this rarely happens. I usually can wake up, even insomnia. 狗翻起。你的狗要这样哎！我要放你的脸在那边嘛，这套就是你的脸了。你找过一个人，你们4个的头在那边，头在这样。有。我要做美金。等全部的血流出来。不美。Free Wi-Fi. The whole neighborhood will come and use your Wi-Fi. 1 cent also is a donation. No. This Peking dog so cute, but so expensive. Okay. Okay.
是萝卜我们放中间的好。
萝卜放中间，对。对。So brown against black and black against brown. Very nice.
Very nice.
My cutie pies are in. Who wants to adopt? So cute. Okay, so today we are here for Venetian blind installation. Here done now. So this is all done up now. See the buttons, the knob, so cute, right? I like them so much. See, got wood grain one. Don't know whether you can see it. And this has also been amended since the last time. And all these are drawers to sit around. Towel update. Toilet, we have already cut the top. But shower screen not done yet. Bedroom, master bedroom, master bathroom. look cracked. And now all this not done yet. You're supposed to have a bed, bedside lamp, bedside table, and my poster. Ta-da-da. Supposed to be here. But the rest are all done up. Simple TV cabinet and simple wardrobe. So we're gonna have like table of sort here to put our stuff. And we're gonna also have wall shelf here. That looks like this. Shelf. So yeah, a lot of things. Our very cute dog floor lamp or table lamp. Vase. And all our cushions, which we won't tie now because dusty.
White one black lah.
Do not order only. I think 我讲4次了。3 white 1 black。
两个都可以，两个都可以。